Easy DIY box for gifts are your business. Here are the materials needed. 1. Cut the folder and the excess. 2. Make a guideline for cutting. Make sure it is 1 inch. Just follow the pattern that I did. Three. Cut the corners that has guidelines. The marks were at the top corner, the middle, and the bottom corner. Again, just follow the pattern that I did. Four. Put a double-sided tape on the corners. Make sure you attach the tape properly. Download the full DIY craft on the description box below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey you, have you heard about Temu? Well, it is like Amazon, but the products are a lot more cheaper, like toys, beauty products, and more. Download the app by clicking the link below. Or just download it on App Store or Play Store and put the code FM78 for 11 to get $100 voucher.